I'm Jordan Rolling, and today we're going to be joined by Kroger's success story, Burns Original BBQ, to talk a bit about their story, how they've been serving up the same great taste for over 40 years, plus we'll get an exclusive barbecue recipe from the pitmasters themselves.
Back in 1973, my father, he just wanted to do better for the community and help the community out, so he started his own thing. In 43 years, same seasoning, same cooks, same love in the community. From the heart to the plate, to the stomach, you know, and that's the Burns way. So this dish here is grilled zucchini and squash and asparagus with shrimp and shallots. And here we go with this wonderful sauce. Nothing but love right there, nothing but love right there. Some good tips on good barbecue, man, you know, basically just, you know, taking your time and doing it from love with your heart. Teaming up with Kroger's brought a lot of people to the community and reach avenues that we couldn't reach before. Yeah, so you can get all your Burns products from Kroger's. We got the sauce, the seasoning, and the chips. Just look for the man with the hand on his hip, and you got it.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about Burns Original BBQ as much as I did. Please continue to stay safe and join us next time as we take a closer look at another fascinating Kroger supplier. See you soon.